A is for airplane. B is for balloon. C is for crab. D is for deer. E is for elephant. F is for fairy. G is for glasses. H is for horse. I is for igloo. J is for jelly. K is for keyboard. L is for ladybird. M is for monkey. N is for nest. O is for octopus. P is for papaya. Q is for quilt. R is for rectangle. S is for star. T is for tortoise. U is for umbrella. V is for van. W is for wheelbarrow. X is for xylophone. Y is for yard. Z is for zebra.